Hello there, my name is Lee. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. So, on Thursday the 19th of February 2026, I travelled to Northwood in the London Borough of Hillingdon to see what's going on with the Metropolitan line. So, over that week, on Thursday, the Thursday, the Friday, the Saturday and the Sunday, the Metropolitan line on the London Underground and the Chiltern Railways services from Amersham, from Aylesbury Vale Parkway and Aylesbury to London Marylebone was suspended due to engineering works between Harrow and Amersham, Chesham and Watford. This was due to signalling work as part of the four-line modernisation programme. Because of that, obviously you need rail replacement buses, and of course there was loads of those. There were 4 services: the Chiltern Railway services, the Metropolitan line ML6, which was Rickmansworth to Amersham and Chesham, the ML2, Watford to Harrow, and the ML5, which was just a shuttle bus from Moor Park to Northwood. You probably think that, bearing in mind it's London services, you'll probably think mostly London buses. Bearing in mind, I went on a Thursday, which means that a lot more buses are needed on the services, on the public buses. So, TfL, in the infinite wisdom, contracted a number of operators to run the services. So, that's why I went to Northwood. I started my day in Aylesbury on the Chiltern Railways rail replacement. On that service, there was Oxford Bus Company, Walters Coaches of Oxford, Stagecoach, and all the Mr. Coach lines with an Evo City again. The ML6 was fully operated by Stagecoach London, and I had 2 E400s from the Plumstead garage. However, the ML2 was where all the other operators were. I'll get to that in a minute. The ML5 was just one bus back and forth all day, and that was operated by Metropolitan with an E200 from Uxbridge garage. The ML2, on the other hand, had a mixture of operators, not just London-based nearby, but also nearby. You had operators like Xelabus, based in Eastleigh. You had OMC Global, based in Whitney. You also had all sorts of operators. And one take note of is Carousel Bus of High Wycombe, a company that I've mentioned on this channel before. They were doing it. They had 2 vehicles, an ex-Go-Ahead London E400 MMC, and one of their recently acquired Street Decks, still in its Oxford Park and Ride colour scheme. If anyone's wondering which one, it was 678, 80268, 80678, which is of course Andy Carter. I spent 2 hours in Northwood, and it was quite interesting. So what I've done is I've compiled a number of my pictures that I took on the day. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the photos that I took during my day out to Northwood.